Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Barry John Beatbox Tower speaker. There is barely any information on this box outside a manufacturer information over here. Let's open this box and show you what we can find inside. So there you go, this is what you'll find inside the box. We have a remote control for operating this particular tower, and this is the tower in question. So there you go, this is what the tower looks like. This is the Barry John Beatbox Tower speaker. It comes with this black and golden color combination. This is obviously not golden, just not gold, it's golden color. This entire thing is made out of, well, this seems like metal, but this is not. Yeah, this seems to be metallic, but the rest of it has this wooden surface over here. And these are the two speakers that it comes with. It looks like a 2.1 speaker. At the front you have a volume knob along with a bass and treble knob. There are a lot of buttons over here and ports as well. There is a USB-A port, a TF card slot, and also a 3.5mm aux port. Along with that there is a display window, and then there is volume plus minus button, a scan button, and a mode button. Let's quickly take a look at the back. Over here we have the on off button right over here, and this is the power cable. Let me just show that to you. Okay, so this is the power cable that you connect to a power outlet. There you go, and this is the FM antenna that comes with this particular speaker. I'm going to demonstrate the music on this one. I'm going to connect it to a power outlet, which I have over here, and now I'm going to turn this on from here.
FM mode. AUX mode.
So the moment I turned it on, it went to the FM mode by default. So in order to change mode, you have to press this mode button over here. I pressed it once, it's currently at the aux mode. Press it again, this is the recording mode.
Bluetooth mode.
And this is the Bluetooth mode which we are going to use. What we are going to do is I'm going to pair my smartphone, this one, to this particular speaker. I will go to the Bluetooth settings page, turn on Bluetooth, and look for a new device.
Here.
Okay, so I selected IPL08, there you go. So that's the name of the speaker, IPL08. The moment I clicked on it, it said paired. Now we are paired. I'm going to play some music and test this particular system out. Also notice the RGB lights that keeps blinking over here. Now I'm going to play some music and show this to you. All the time, I was of mine. Okay. So there you heard that. This is what you find inside the box containing the Barry John Beatbox Tower speaker. Thank you for watching.